Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make vegan pumpkin pie gluten-free too. If you would like to see other pie recipes, including ones that are not vegan or gluten-free, I'll put a link to a playlist that I have up here or in the description box. So let's get started. First you need a prepared pie crust, and I have 3 videos showing different pie crust recipes. One is just gluten-free, one is just vegan, and one is gluten-free and vegan, and I'll put links to them in the description box. Keep the pie crust in the fridge until you're ready to add the filling into it. Once the crust is ready, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So one problem with making pie is the crust on the bottom comes out underbaked or soggy. A lot of people like to pre-bake the crust first to prevent that from happening, but here's a trick I learned in culinary school. Place a sheet pan into the oven while it's preheating so it gets nice and hot. So when you bake the pie, the heat from the pan will help fully bake the bottom crust. To make the pie filling, in a medium bowl, add in the pumpkin puree. Make sure it's pure pumpkin and not pumpkin pie mix. Brown sugar, I'm using organic brown sugar. Agave nectar or maple syrup. Rice milk or any non-dairy milk you like. Vanilla extract. Pumpkin pie spice. And salt, and whisk them together until they're well combined. Then in a separate small bowl, add in the cornstarch and more rice milk or the non-dairy milk of your choice, and whisk them really well until there are no lumps. Then add it into the rest of the mixture and whisk them until they're well combined. Then pour the filling into the chilled pie crust in the pan. Spread it out until it's even. And place it into the oven on top of the hot baking pan and bake it for about an hour. When it's done, remove it from the oven and place it onto a cooling rack and let it cool completely. It will firm up as it cools. And that's how to make vegan pumpkin pie gluten-free too. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.